Good morning, students. Today, our topic is total internal reflection. Our topic is total internal reflection. See, if the one of, for example, this is the interface of the two medium. One is rarer and the other one is denser. Whatever it is, maybe it is denser or rarer. If the one of light ray is incident on it, it is the interface between two mediums. Okay, if one of light ray incident on the this interface, some of light ray is refracted or transmitted to the other medium. It is partially transmitted or refracted to the other medium, and some of the light is reflected or come back to the same medium. It means the light ray incident on the interface, it is split two types. Some partial of light rays goes to the other medium, it means transmitted or reflected. Another, some of the part is come back to the same medium. This is the reflection. In this case, say the refraction is occurring in the same medium. The refraction occur in the same medium. That's why it is internal reflection. Commonly says as internal reflection, but you commonly use today just reflection. Okay, is the most basic point. If the light ray incident on the interface of the two medium, in this case, in the situation, some of the light passing are transmitted or refracted to the other medium, and some of part is go back to the same medium, it is the reflected. Okay, if say, so most important question for the IP 4 marks. This is the interface. Take as a normal at a point, this one is A, and from this the light ray incident on the interface, then some of it is transmitted and some of it refracted. This is the normal ray. This is the incident angle. This is the refracted angle. Okay, this is the right ray. One another light ray same from the A. Then in this case also same. Some of light goes to the transmitted to other medium, and some of light is goes to same situation. In this case, taken as the normal. This is the angle I. This is angle R. If the same light ray, okay, in this case, this is the I, and this is the R. In this case, this is the I. See, in the figure, this one is the first ray, this is second ray, this is third ray, this is fourth ray. In the case of first ray is incident on the interface, some of its ray is transmitted to the medium 2 and some of it come back to the same medium. In this case, clearly observe one up condition, that one is the angle R is greater than I. The angle R greater than I. It is clearly shown in the figure. And another point, most point is, if the in this case the light ray is away to the normal ray, when it is occurred, if the this medium is denser medium, this one is rarer medium. This one is the rarer medium. This one is the denser medium. In the light ray coming from the denser to rarer, the transmitted ray is away to the normal ray. If the angle of incident is increased, then alternately I also increase. In this case, I also increase. Alternately R also increase. If furthermore increase in the I, the R is goes to the interface. R goes to the interface. In this case, you see the light ray cannot go to the medium 2. Cannot go to the medium 2. It's going to on the interface. This angle we will call a critical angle. This one is a critical angle. This is a critical angle. After you increase the incident ray, the ray cannot refracted or transmitted to the another medium, but it is totally come back to the same medium. This situation find this situation we will call total internal reflection. It means there is no ray go to the second medium. It is only occur if the coming ray is denser to radium. It is the one of condition. Then another is R greater than I. These two condition is must and should. A angle of incident is corresponding to the angle of refraction is 90. The angle of refraction is 90. This angle we will call a critical angle. The incident angle is corresponding to the angle of refraction is 90. This angle we will call critical angle. Then after critical angle, the light ray is totally come back to the same medium. This phenomena we will call a total internal reflection. It means there is no loss in the incident and refracted in the same medium. This is the most important of situation occur in the light ray is incident on the interface of the two medium. Okay, this is the most important. So in this case, you already know the refracted rays always is obey the Snella. The Snella equal to sin I equal by sin R equal to n to 1, not 1 to. If take 1 to, it is reversed. Sin I equal to sin I by sin R, always n of 2 1. It is a refracted index. Okay. In this case, see, whenever R value is a unity or more than unity, alternately this refraction is less than 1. If the R value greater than I, this refraction is less than 1. Less than 1. Okay, it's the most important point. Then for the in this total internal refraction, it take this incident angle is taken as a critical incident angle. This is equal to, whenever its value is less than 1, in this case I equal to IC. For the this value is unity. For the this value is unity. In this case taken as I equal to IC. I equal to IC. So sin IC equal to n to 1, and only for, okay, this is the another important term. This is this video. This is most basic phenomena for the a article fiber. The most important for this article fiber. This article fiber used in the a communication system. Whatever today you have the used the internet from the optical fiber. This is the most important.